going on, guys? Back today on Cream and Jackal. I decided I'm gonna try something new today. So I was at Walmart yesterday and I was craving a fruit salad. And I didn't think about making a video at the time. And this morning I woke up and before I made it, I was like, you know what? Let me share one of my recipes with you guys. So if you guys like it and I get good feedback on this video, then I'm gonna make more recipe videos. So today we're making a fruit salad. Alright, got the ingredients over here. Get a quick little glance. I'm gonna cut these all up, throw it in this bowl, show what it looks like. We're gonna start. I'm gonna put some blueberries. I don't know how many to use. Look about right. It's a small little snack for me, maybe my mom when she gets home. Got some strawberries. Strawberries. Shit, I can't get that like that. Put in some yogurt. This original vanilla yogurt. Use this one. Oh yeah. We're done with the strawberries. A few more blueberries in there. Like that. Got some fruit cocktail mix. Let's strain some of this into a bowl. Too much syrup in the bowl. Look at that. So I like to get some pre-made Creme Parfaits and just cut them up, throw them in there with the fruits. Lechera. You don't even need the yogurt when you have this stuff. Put some on your fruits, vegetables. Maybe not your vegetables. Got our Mexican sour cream. That was gross. Don't eat this up by itself. There you go. Badass. Alright guys, so we're gonna have some granola now. Throw that stuff in there, really good. Add a little bit more yogurt in here. A few pecans. Not too much. We already have the granola, the one to overpower. Missing fruits. Alright guys, so I decided I was done, but then I decided it was missing a little more color. So I just cut up, another parfait, a few more vegetables, fruits. That shit in there. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more sour cream. Because I added a lot more of the other stuff in there. So. Alright, add how I make my fruit salad. I'm gonna serve a plate. I'm gonna try it. And if you guys like it, too bad. Make your own. Alright, let's give it a try. This is really fucking good. Yep. Mashed piece. We got blueberries, we got strawberries, we got cocktail mix, so we got grapes, we got parfait, sour cream, vanilla yogurt, pecans, granola. That's really all you need, man. You wanna try it, Gabby?
No, we will eat.
Wanna try it? Don't know how good it is.
We eat, okay?
Anyway, this is really good. I'm gonna put my recipe in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed watching me make this fruit salad and want to see me make more of my recipes, comment down below. I thought it'd be a cool, interesting series to start. So if you guys like it, please give me your feedback. Well, anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell. Let me know what y'all want me to see next. I am a cook. I know what I'm doing. So y'all want to see something extra, just let me know. Subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.